Hello children, welcome back to our video series, and this is going to be the last video of our video series for this year. Okay, so here, what are we going to do today? We are going to make a thank you card for our lovely teachers. Okay, do you love your teachers? Yes. Okay kids, ඉතින් දැන් බබාලා හැමෝම ලබන අවුරුද්දේ නේද එක වසරට යනවා නැත්නම් LKG ඉන්න බබාලා UKG එකට යනවා පුතාලට අලුත් ක්ලාස් ටීචර් කෙනෙක් නේද හම්බ වෙන්නේ එහෙනම් පුතාලගේ ක්ලාස් එකේ හිටපු පරණ ක්ලාස් ටීචර්ට thank you කියන්න ඕනේ නේද යන්න කලින් හරි එහෙනම් අපි ටීචර්ට ගොඩාක් ආදරෙන් මේ කාඩ් එක හදමු. Okay kids, let's cut the circle. Okay kids, you will need two similar sized circles and take one circle and fold it into two and then cut. Next you can cut some hearts out of a black A4. Next we are going to draw another circle on a black paper. And next you can paste it like this way. Now keep this aside for a while and then take a piece of white paper and draw your lovely teacher. Now you can paste your drawing on top of our ladybird. Next we are going to fix the wings. To fix the wings, I will be using a nail. Finally, we just have to fix the eyes like this way. Now kids, this is our fantastic thank you teacher card. And you're going to make this card and don't forget to share a beautiful photograph of your card with yourself. Okay kids, goodbye. Have a nice day.